everyone, gagawa ako ng aking fruits fresh juice. Cucumber. This one, 1 piece of cucumber. 4 pieces of lime or calamansi ang gamit ko. Then ginger. I put a ginger, cold water because now it's hot weather. Fresh juice for healthy. And this one, blender, available to my TikTok shop. Before tayo kumain sa umaga or sa gabi bago tayo matulog, or hindi natin kailangan kumain sa gabi, this is good to our body. I choose this one for healthy and sasalain ko lang siya, guys. Pagkatapos natin blender, this one is available sa ating TikTok shop. Sasalain lang natin para yung kanyang mga sapal masala natin. And kasi may time talaga na hindi natin kainin yung mga sapal na yan. Hindi na tayo maglalagay ng, lagay na natin dito. Hindi na tayo maglalagay ng any kind of sugar. Mag-add na lang tayo ng powder milk. Any kind of milk na available sa'yo. Kung anong gusto mo, it's powder milk. Then, pagkatapos natin haluin, guys, and this is my food now. I want to decide. I want to make my healthy own fresh. This is my fresh juice. Parang naghaloy lahat yung kasi yung kalamansi, blender ko kasama yung balat niya. Tapos, may kaunti siyang pait. Siguro doon sa kalamansi ng buto at saka yung niya. It's okay lang kasi kayang-kaya ko naman siyang inumin. At laki pa natin ng tamang exercise and diet food. Ngayon, ibabalik ko ang aking diet. Very healthy and effective and proven to me because this is one of my choices diet. And thank you for watching, guys.